Hello, keyboarding class, and welcome to week 5. I cannot believe it's week 5 already. The time has gone so fast. In week 4, you learned to type numbers. So this week, we're going to learn to type the $ and the hyphen. That will be lesson 19. Lesson 20 will be the number sign and the /. Lesson 21 will be the % sign and the exclamation point. Lesson 22, parentheses and backspace. I have a feeling some of you already use the backspace quite well. Lesson 23, the ampersand, the colon, and proofing. Lesson 24, we're going to go ahead and learn other figures and symbols. Let's take a look inside the classroom. Okay, inside the classroom, reminder, let's scroll down and look at a discussion question. It's going to be about the importance of speed in keyboarding. Last week we covered accuracy. This week we're going to discuss speed. And then we know we have our external links for all the different lessons I just talked about. Let me scroll down to the last one. Or actually the last two. So after you're done with lesson 24 and you've learned all of the symbols and figures, you're going to have a review for figures and symbols, so practicing numbers and symbols. And then, this is a little new twist here in week 5. SAM assignment is lesson 25, assessment. I have not used that word yet, assessment. We've been practicing, we've been learning, we've been memorizing the keyboard. So this is practice to our assessment part of our course. When will we see that? Next week. Week 6 is all about the assessments. And so I encourage everybody, even though it's practice, not going to be a graded activity, that you do come in and get a little preview of what to expect next week. Please do not forget to go to typing.com for additional practice. This would be a good week to practice 2-minute timed writings. Next week's assessments are going to be 2-minute timed writings. So to get ahead of that, to be prepared, typing.com, you can do as many 2-minute timed writings as you would like. Our tips for a successful week 5. Again, don't procrastinate. Log in each day. Complete all the reading assignments. Watch the videos. Complete your discussion board questions by Thursday. Submit this week's assignments by Sunday. And please contact me if you have any questions or concerns. Once again, happy keyboarding. Have a great week.